कुछ एक ऐसे कॉन्सेप्ट्स जो आपकी इंग्लिश की अंडरस्टैंडिंग को और भी बेहतर बना देंगे। आई एम श्योर आप सब लोगों ने लोगों को प्रूव्ड या फिर प्रूवन का इस्तेमाल करते हुए देखा होगा, दैट टू इंटरचेंजेबली। But which one is right? Which one is the right third form or the past participle form of the verb prove? Let's quickly try to understand that. The first thing I would like to tell you is that both proved and proven are correct. It depends on the regional differences and the context in which they are used that makes a difference. For example, if you talk about American English, proven is more commonly accepted and used in American English. For example, hypothesis, the hypothesis has been proven correct. She has proven her talent in various competitions. ये तो बात हो गई अमेरिकन इंग्लिश की. But if you talk about British English, there proved is more commonly used. For example, the theory has been proved true. He proved himself to be a reliable teammate. Well, I am sure by now you have understood the fact that proven and proved both are grammatically correct and the usage are entirely dependent on the writing style or the context in which they've been used. I would like to mention one more thing over here, which is the fact that some writers, irrespective of their background or locale, they would prefer one word over the other. It could be entirely their personal preference or the traditional language they were taught in their school. In some cases, there may be a slight difference in the nuance between the two forms, but it is generally subtle, and the choice between proved and proven should not significantly affect the meaning of the sentence. In summary, both proved and proven are considered correct, and the choice is absolutely yours. सब्सक्राइब, लाइक एंड शेयर, ये तीनों बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. जाते जाते वो जरूर कर देना. और हाँ, कमेंट करके ये जरूर बताइएगा कि आपको सबसे ज्यादा क्या पसंद आया इस पूरे वीडियो में. मिलते हैं जल्दी ही. टिल देन टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ एंड कीप लर्निंग.